Here we go. Lifestyle investing, where we invest based off our lifestyle to build a future lifestyle. Mike, myself, Derek. The cryptocurrency guy
Accepts.
is with us.
Yes.
So what we're talking about right now is how to choose a cryptocurrency that fits you and can give you good returns.
Yep.
And doing research on them. Why do we want to know that?
Because we need to find out if we're going to spend the money, spend the time. You can invest in anything, right? You can take your hard-earned money that you put in your savings account, put it in anything. If you're going to go to the Bitcoin world or the e-currency or whatever we're calling it, if you're going to go to this e-coin world, which ones are you going to spend time and energy investing? There's like 100 of them, right? So this is for us to help you get into that research mode, like we keep talking about over and over again. Don't put your money where your heart is not. That's what lifestyle investing is all about, getting to know what you're putting your money into. We're going to break it down, make it a little bit easier to find which ones may work for you. Yeah.
Boom.
Derek.
Yeah,
So,
slam dunk.
nice.
So when I look for a crypto coin, I have a couple parameters I like to stick to. The first one is there's a website called CoinMarketCap you can go out to, and it has a very good coin market cap. You can put something here or there, like wherever on the edit. Tell them to go check it out. Our tech guy put on the first day.
There it is right there. If you can read that.
We
just
have
click
no
there.
tech guy.
Yeah.
that is clear. You should have seen Bernie try to set the mic up early. It was hilarious. But yeah, anyways, back to looking for the coins. You want to understand the concept of scarcity, right?
Yeah.
Most people don't know Bitcoin, I think, only had 16 million or something coins come out when it originally got released, and that's the finite amount that will ever be. Don't quote me on the amount of coins, but
Right.
the concept
like 21
of scarcity
million or something for Bitcoin, right?
Yeah. But some of these other
scarcity.
coins are offering billions of coins, and you got to understand from the essence of the fact of they have billions of coins, but are they all worth? How much money are these coins worth? If you look at the top
of a penny.
literally 1 billionth of a penny, to the point of where you look at the top 10 cryptos, they have a minus Ripple. They all have a very, very small circulating supply. The coins are very, very rare. I'm not meaning that you can't go buy them. It's just that if you fast forward 2 years to where Bitcoin is now, you're looking at a $16,000, whatever, $10,000 coin versus people just hanging out with pennies trying to realize why this coin's not going up. Yeah. So circulating supply is huge. Understanding the concept of scarcity, which with any investment is the biggest thing.
Yeah.
You got to get in with scarcity, otherwise it's not worth shit.
That's the biggest thing for real estate, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean,
land's the scarcest shit ever.
Exactly. Because you'll never have any more of it.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's a big reason.
Dubai.
What?
Dubai.
Oh yeah, they make islands.
Yeah.
Plus Mars, right? Elon
Yeah,
Musk.
that's true.
Elon Musk, you know, got the whole game.
Yeah, exactly.
What's up?
Peace Star, man. Best
Yeah,
travels.
exactly.
Traveling the internet, the outer space. Excuse me. Traveling the
Tesla.
internet.
Oh yeah. But anyways, Supply
Yeah.
is definitely a huge game in any type of investment that you make.
Scarcity, that
100%.
concept. Yeah.
100%. And also just the belief of like knowing like, hey, there's not going to be any more.
Yeah.
And so just being a human ourselves, we're like,
Mm-hmm.
oh, there's not going to be any more of that. I want some. I want
limited
that.
edition crypto.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? There's
Yeah.
10 Nikes. I want those 10 Nikes, even if you can't walk in them. Right? You still want those.
Yeah.
Second thing I look for, you got to plot your ROI. So if you're going to invest, you better plan on making some type of return before you put the money in. Otherwise, we're gambling, I feel like.
Yeah, okay.
It's fun to gamble. It's fun to invest. Sometimes it overlaps. But if you're going to get in, you got to find a coin that's within your price range that can give you ROI that you're comfortable with. Otherwise, if you're like buying one Bitcoin at 16,000, for example, and just hoping it'll keep riding, I'm like, well, first of all, you got to have 16 grand. Second of all, you got to put it for just one coin. And damn, you're betting on the horse to keep running a long, long marathon type race.
Right.
Where there's other coins that go all the way from fractions of a penny up to hundreds of dollars.
Right,
And you can take a stab, but you got to believe in what your coin's going to do. We can touch on that later with the different types of cryptos we can take a look at. But scarcity, circulating supply, figuring out what price you want to get in at and how much you want to buy. And then the third one comes back to our exchange talk, volume. If people aren't trading your coin, like right now, you got to kind of understand that you're buying for a long-term hold. If you were buying a Ripple or another type of high volume coin, an Ethereum, you're going to get a lot of change in flux day in and day out.
Yeah.
But it's key to know, because if people aren't buying your coin, it's going to be a little bit longer ride to the moon, as they call it in the crypto world.
Okay.
Fourth most, and that is the most important out of all these crypto things, find a coin with a use case. Something that's going to be tangible. If you want to get out of the bubble, you're not going to be buying all these weed coins, THC coin, kitty, whatever coins are out there that build this bubble for people to spend their money on. Get out of it.
What about the Vernie and Mike coin that we made last week?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bubble bursts.
Yeah, exactly.
Damn it!
Yeah, don't let the bubble burst.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
get into a coin that's going to have an actual use, something that has a long-term use. Here's what it's going to be used.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So there's great coins out there. I don't like to talk about coins specifically, but I'll use a couple just for examples. But you can either go out and spend money to play and buy digital crypto kitties. You can buy security coins, or you can buy coins that can be used in exchange for services like data storage.
Okay.
So it's pretty interesting to see what these coins are being aimed for. But the big thing is, just don't give your money to some dude somewhere looking to make fast money, because it'll be fast.
Cool.
Right.
Bam. That's 4 reasons right there. If you didn't get
Yeah.
them, just watch back. He knocked him out pretty solid. That was good, right?
Yeah.
Damn, that was really good.
I like it.
I know.
Organized.
Mike, myself,
Yeah.
Derek, lifestyle
Everything else.
investing. Keep investing, fellas.